Today we're making this amazing savory bread. That's very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. That's not just beautiful, it turned out delicious as well. Just look at it. Let's get started. In my stand mixer, I added in warm milk followed by sugar, dry active yeast, and then stirred so everything has come together, and then I added in egg. Make sure you stir everything till well combined before going in with the dry ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, I added in flour. I used all-purpose flour. I added in powdered milk. Lastly, I added in salt, and then I let the machine did its job for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I opened it and then I added in softened butter. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Let the machine work for extra 5 minutes. You can do this by hands, of course, but if you're doing it for hands, by hands, let it knead it for at least from 10 to 15 minutes in total. So once done, cover it with a clean film and then let it double in size. In the meantime, you can go ahead for the filling. So in my saucepan, I added in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, chopped garlic and onion. I added in the minced meat, and then I added in meat seasoning, vegetable seasoning, some black pepper and salt. So if you're a chili lover, you can even add in chili powder. I let it cook until it was ready, and then I added in carrots. So that's what you're looking for. Keep it aside and let it cool down completely. So now bring back the dough. Once it has doubled in size, bring it, transfer it on your work surface, roll it in the sausage shape, and then divide it into smaller pieces. So mine was around 80 to 90 grams each. Bring one, roll it in the ball shape on your palm or on your work surface. Take one out and then cover the rest with a clean film to stop the surface from drying out. Sprinkle flour on your work surface, transfer one of the dough on it, and then roll it out. The thickness should be around 3 to 4 millimeters. Now use a pizza cutter to cut long strips as seen in the video, but don't cut all the way through. When done, go in with cheese and then the meats that we made earlier on. All you have to do is to bring one and fold it on top of each other. Bring the one from your left, fold it on to your right side, and then from your right side to your left side. And then when done, the edge, just bring them together. Please make sure you brush the edge with a little bit of water, and that's what you're looking for. Please, if you don't understand, just watch the video carefully and you get what I mean. Cover it and then let it rest until it has doubled in size. Before baking it, make sure you brush on top with an egg wash and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, just look at this. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, it was delicious as well. Lastly, I brush on top with melted butter just to give it that shyness, and you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, just look at this bread. Just look at this cheesy bread. This is wonderful and it's delicious. See you. Bye bye.